Governor Pritzker announced a multi-million-dollar grant from the federal government will go to small businesses that lost their income because of the pandemic.
WGN's Patrick Elwood is live downtown right now with that story. Patrick.
Micah and Tamad, good evening to you. The human toll aside, people who got sick, people who have died from COVID-19, the governor announcing a stimulus package of sorts for small businesses, those that were affected by the looting in the city in late May and June, as well as the overall economic domino effect coming from COVID-19. The governor today says his administration is awarding $46 million in small business grants under a program called the Business Interruption Grant. The grants, he says, are the first round of payments to businesses closed because of the pandemic and those that experienced property damage from the looting that took place in late May and early June. There is a variety of the kinds of businesses affected getting money, but a big portion, the governor says, will be going to those that are in the child care related sector. 2,655 businesses at $46 million averages out to $17,325.80 each. That's an average, remember.
I'm proud to announce the first $46 million of our Business Interruption Grant program that has been deployed now to help more than 2,600 small businesses in over 400 cities and towns across Illinois.
This news comes as the governor and his public health director issue warnings about where parts of the state seem to be heading. That is, in the wrong direction. In regions 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9, Chicago and Cook County have stayed flat in recent days, while DuPage County has trended downward in the right direction. That said, some health experts are concerned that Chicago, Boston, and Baltimore could see a COVID-19 resurgence in the fall with the oncoming cooler temperatures.
At the beginning of May, we saw the number of people going to the emergency department for COVID-like symptoms decrease. But since the beginning of July, that number started increasing again. The number of cases we're reporting each day has also been increasing. The positivity rate has been increasing. These are all facts.
So those businesses that were affected by looting in recent days not going to be able to get any money as part of this program. They may be able to get some as part of a future grant program. Reporting from downtown outside the Thompson Center, Patrick Elwood, WGN News. Back to you guys in the studio.
Thank you, Patrick.